Welcome to Lagos, Nigeria, a city alive with energy, opportunity, and dreams. But navigating its crowded streets can be a challenge. Enter the coastal road, a game changer that's set to transform not just transportation, but also the landscape of real estate in Lagos. Stretching over 1,400 kilometers along Nigeria's stunning coastline, this road isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about unlocking potential. And here is the exciting part. The federal government recently announced that construction will be completed within 3 years. That means big changes are on the horizon. With easier access to previously hard-to-reach areas, developers are eyeing prime locations for new homes, shops, and offices. It's like giving Lagos a whole new look. And it's not just about new developments. Existing neighborhoods along the coastal road are seeing a surge in value as connectivity improves. It's like a rising tide lifting all boats. Despite some bumps along the way, the coastal road is bringing a wave of excitement to Lagos real estate. It's like laying the foundation for a brighter future. Now let's talk about real estate. Because of this new road, builders are excited to develop new shops, offices, and other spaces along the coast. But here is the cool part. Even the areas that already have buildings are getting better. The road makes them more valuable and it's making life nicer for people who own real estate there. So, as we look ahead to the completion of the coastal road, let's envision a future where Lagos real estate thrives and communities flourish. What do you think about the new road? Let us know below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Bye for now.